What's going on? I'm going to be customizing my Game Boy Color. This is my original one from when I was a kid, so it's pretty beat up. I was originally just going to replace the screen with a glass cover so it wasn't all scratched up, but then I saw the shell replacements they have on the market and I couldn't resist. So let's check it out. Here's my Game Boy in the original shell. As you can see, it's seen its fair share of use, and I wasn't particularly the best with my things when I was a kid, so it's seen better days. Here is the new shell kit from ExtremeRate. It comes with everything you need to do the swap. The shell itself, a glass screen cover, buttons, rubber membranes, screws, and even the screwdrivers. And they say they give you a 1-year warranty if you post a picture on social media and tag them. For the teardown of the Game Boy, start by taking out any game, the battery cover, and the batteries. Then take out the 6 screws in the back of the system. You'll probably want a dish to put them in to keep track of them. After that, use the plastic separator to detach the back of the system and set that to the side. There are 3 screws in the board of the Game Boy keeping it in place. You just need to remove those. Next, I put in the new battery connector into the new back of the shell. Then I attach the cartridge cover to the shell using the 4 shorter pointed screws. Here I detached the screen ribbon cable from the main board. You just need to push up on each of the gray tabs on each side of the connector and gently pull the cable out. Just make sure you have the tabs fully pulled out before you do this. Once the ribbon cable is detached, you can set the board to the side. And I removed the IR sensor cover now also. To remove the screen, the best way that I found was to twist the front shell with both of my hands to loosen the glue holding down the screen. You should see and hear the screen pop up a bit when the glue comes loose. You may need to do this with each side. Just try not to pull the screen up with the ribbon cable as that could damage it. I twisted the shell so that I could grab the corner of the screen and pulled it up from that. Next, you just have to put the screen in the new shell. You could probably use some new glue here, but for me it wasn't necessary as the screen stayed in place without it. Now place the new buttons into the shell and cover them with the new rubber membranes. Just make sure they're facing the correct way and insert the posts into the holes in the rubber. Once you have those in place, you can put the board in and reconnect the screen's ribbon cable. I also put the system power switch in here. Now you can put the 3 internal screws back into the board to hold it into place. I think all the screws from here on out are the same length, so it shouldn't matter which ones you use. You need to put the IR cover back in, and then you can put the new back shell on and re-secure it with the 6 remaining screws. Once I had the back on, I wanted to test it out and see if it would turn on, that all the buttons were working, and that it would read games. Luckily, everything worked out the first try, so I could continue with putting the glass screen cover on. Before I put the screen cover on, I just gave the actual screen a little cleaning with a microfiber cloth. Then I removed the sticker covering the screen portion of the glass cover, along with the adhesive backing. Once that was done, it was time to put it on the shell. Mine was a very tight fit, and I really had to push down hard. I was actually a little afraid I was going to break something, I had to push it so hard, but it ended up working out. Finally, I added the sticker onto the back, and it was complete. I love the way it turned out. I really enjoy the chameleon color changing effect that this shell has. It makes the Game Boy almost feel new again. The plastic maybe isn't quite as high quality as the original was, but it still feels really good. The glass screen cover just makes the screen look brand new. The buttons and switches all feel fine as well, and I haven't had any problems. That's my customized Game Boy Color. I really dig the way it turned out. Let me know if you liked it or what color you would have changed it to. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Thanks for watching.